Hey everybody, Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Just got some breaking news coming in here from Carnival Cruise Lines and the stock market as a whole. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up over 5%. Cruise shares in some cases are up 20% today, and it's led by Carnival. We have breaking news. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for giving my videos thumbs ups and also giving me comments on my videos and also what you're hearing out there. I really appreciate that. The Facebook group page for Traveling with Bruce is growing by leaps and bounds. A lot of us hang out on the Facebook group page between my videos. Please join today if you'd like to stay on top of news. I'm the administrator. I'll let you in. And also, thank you for joining me on the Instagram page for Traveling with Bruce. So a lot of you are following there too, and we appreciate it. Now, here's the breaking news. Carnival shares were up about 10-12% this morning as the market started on a positive note. And then all of a sudden, they gained even more momentum. The Carnival shares today are now up over $2 a share. And they have hit a high of $11 this morning because a report came out through the Securities and Exchange Commission. There was a filing made by the Saudi Arabian Sovereign Wealth Fund. This is a fund that is handling over $300 billion of assets around the world. This fund has acquired 43.5 million shares of Carnival. They've been buying the stock, it looks like, through the month of March up until the 26th of March. That's when the filing had to be disclosed, and they now own 8.2% of the company, or 8.3 roughly percent of the company, making the Saudi Arabian Sovereign Wealth Fund the third largest shareholder of Carnival. No word whether they're going to buy more shares, whether they have purchased more shares. No word whether they bought a big block of the company through the offering that was made just a little while ago. The company did raise $6 billion in fresh cash, even more than that. They could have purchased a bunch of the notes and bonds that were offered, paying upwards of 11.5% to 12%, but they won't have to disclose that at this time. They may have to disclose that by the end of this month, by the end of April. But as of March 26th, as the shares were free falling from the 50s to the 30s to the 20s down to $7 odd a share, this fund was buying up stock like crazy, and something tells me they got a pretty good average price here, and obviously they're in for the long haul because that's what the Sovereign Wealth Fund generally does. They take positions in companies that they feel have a lot of upside and they wait it out. So a huge shareholder has joined the fray into the cruise business. I do not know from the filings, no indication that they've made an investment into Norwegian or Royal Caribbean at this time. I have not seen any filings of any other large block purchases of the other two funds by other institutional investors, but we'll know in the next few days if any of those have been done, because everyone has to file from time to time based on how much you control. That is the big news there. Now, the market today, the stock market is up over 5% on the Dow. Word is that the European infection rate has been slowing down. The hope is that this is mirroring the trend that happened in Asia starting about a week and a half ago. Then the hope is that this will now make its way to the USA and North America. Early days, but the stock market thinks 6 months ahead and is projecting, investors are projecting confidence that the hope is that the spread of this virus may have topped out in certain areas and is heading our direction. We'll have to see if that actually plays out or not. But good news for investors today. The markets are up. The cruise sector's up. The airline shares are up dramatically today. Hotel stocks are up as well. So the entire travel segment is seeing the possibility of a light at the end of a long, long tunnel. But it could still be weeks and maybe months before things really start to come around our direction. Anyway, that is the latest news. Carnival shares are up over 20%. And the street likes what they hear with respect to who is investing in the companies. Carnival's up 22.5% with the Saudi investment. Norwegian is up 14%. Royal Caribbean is up 18%. This is halfway through the market today, Monday, April the 6th, 2020. We'll stay on top of this story. We'll keep following it for you, and we'll see how it plays out from here. In the meantime, this is Bruce saying stay warm, stay safe, stay healthy, and join me tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern and 8 o'clock Eastern for my live shows. 7 o'clock for my channel members, sponsor members, and 8 o'clock for cruise ship news and updates live on TWB, Traveling with Bruce. See you later. Bye for now.